Hi, I'm Cassandra Ryder, and welcome to Study Hall, Intro to Human Communication. So, picture this. You're at a party when you spot your friend across the room. They're waving at you, jumping up and down, and they have a huge grin on their face. As you walk over, they shout, "Follow me." Your friend then leads you to the kitchen where you spied the most glorious thing you've ever seen, a nacho bar. You might not realize it, but in this one simple moment, your friend has relied on many different communication methods. Of course, they used spoken language to ask you to follow them into the kitchen. By combining that with a happy and upbeat tone of voice, they let you know they had something really awesome to show you. And by waving, jumping up and down, and smiling, your friend used body language to share their excitement and convince you to walk across the room in the first place. All of these methods helped your friend share their thoughts with you in a way you understood. And as a result, you're both chowing down on some delicious nacho goodness. Communication plays a role in almost everything we do as humans, but it's a really complex social process. Take this video as an example. In order to get this video to the final stage that you're seeing now, there is a wide array of different types of communication that have different contexts. From scripting to directing to filming to editing to animating, we think about what we're communicating to you and, just as importantly, how we're communicating. In this course, we'll dig into what communication is and why it matters. For one thing, all of us want to be understood, and we want to accurately understand others. We'll explain the fundamental elements of communication that help us develop relationships with the folks around us. For instance, we'll discuss how we can use verbal, nonverbal, and visual communication techniques to share information and ideas, even when we don't share a common language. And we'll talk about how we can interpret those signals from other people so we can really understand what they're saying, too. Additionally, we have to learn how to adapt our communication styles so we can connect with people in different social contexts or situations. Like, you probably communicate with your boss and your best friend in totally different ways. Which makes sense. The professional world is one place where the stakes are higher when it comes to communicating effectively. Employers want to hire excellent communicators who can share ideas and goals to help their companies grow. That's why we'll talk about what effective verbal and nonverbal communication looks like in the workplace. Because let's face it, we've all got to bring home the bacon. Or nachos. And because collaboration and critical thinking are important skills on and off the job, we'll walk through the expertise you need to be a good family member, student, teammate, leader, and problem solver. Communication plays a major role in keeping society running smoothly, too. Different cultures have different beliefs, customs, and languages, which often means they share unique ways of sharing information and ideas. Good communication skills can help us bridge those gaps so we can better understand each other. We'll explore ways that we can use communication to engage with diverse perspectives on important issues, which can help make positive changes in our local communities, and even solve global problems like climate change. And in any social context, being an ethical communicator is totally crucial. Ethical communicators know how to build trust with the people in their lives by being honest, clear, and empathetic. We'll explain how we can hone all of these skills to achieve one of the most important goals there is, creating meaningful connections with the world around us. We encourage you to think about communication as a fundamental piece of our everyday lives that keeps our relationships and communities alive and thriving. Join us on this journey as we explore communication, unpack why it matters in our lives, and learn how to become even better communicators. Nachos not included. Thanks for watching Study Hall, Intro to Human Communication, which is a part of the Study Hall project, a partnership between ASU and Crash Course. If you liked this video and want to keep learning with us, be sure to subscribe. You can learn more about Study Hall and the videos produced by Crash Course and ASU in the links in the description. See you next time!